Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing Peely from Fortnite.
Yeah, super excited.
Super excited.
You ready to draw?
Yeah.
I'm drawing the other version of Peely called Polar Peely. And who are you drawing?
Just regular Peely.
Awesome. It's going to be easy step by step. Watch all the way to the end. We have a surprise at the end of the video, guys.
Alright, so let's get started with Peely. Today we're using a thinner marker.
Okay, I got my marker. But before we start Peely, make sure you like and subscribe. Go hit that subscribe button. All right, I'm ready.
Alright, so for Peely, he's a banana.
Yep.
So what we're doing is we're going to make a line that curves out just a little bit. So
Okay.
I'm going to start here, leaving a little space at
Okay.
the top. I'm going to come down. And I'm going to come down like a slide almost.
Okay. Everyone knows what Peely looks like, so.
Yes. And then I'm just going to curve in just a little bit.
All right, so I'm coming down. He has like a little belly.
Yeah, he has a little belly.
Okay. I'm coming down a little bit. And I'm coming back in.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, I like it.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to continue this curve to his leg. So I'm going to curve in just a little more.
Okay. This is going to be part of his leg?
That's still his belly.
Okay.
And then we're going to come down with a curve for his leg.
Okay.
That's good. And come down. Perfect.
Okay.
Yep. And then we could do his other leg, or we could do the other side of his body. Let's start with his other side.
Okay.
So from here, we're going to copy the same curve just out.
Okay.
So I'm going to come across, and I'm going to make a little point.
Okay.
That helps me.
So like about right here?
Yep.
About 2 inches. You can make another point. Okay.
And then I'm going to come down and just make one line like this.
Okay. Make it a little bit thicker.
Yep. Right there
Okay.
is perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. So then from there, we can make his peel.
Okay.
So he has a peel on this side.
Of course. That's why his name is Peely.
And the top of the banana. So the top of the banana is a horizontal line that we
Okay.
could connect for the 2 points.
Okay.
And then we can make a vertical line that curves just a little bit.
Okay. Up here from the top of his head, make a little vertical line that curves a bit.
Yep.
Got it.
We're going to make a horizontal line that comes up just a little bit as well.
All right. So I'm going to slope this line like this up here. Okay.
Then we're going to make a little horizontal line.
Okay. Start the top of his peel.
Yep.
Got it.
Well, this is like the top of the banana, but
Okay.
it has little curves and stuff.
Okay.
Make a little diagonal line.
Oh, it has like little detail up here.
Yep.
Okay.
Come up with a diagonal line.
Up.
And then we're going to make a curved line that goes down. That's short.
Okay. So this is going to curve. Is this going to attach anything?
Yep. And then we're just going to come back down to this point. So we're
Okay.
going to make one diagonal line that connects to this point.
Got it.
There we go. That's like the top of the banana.
Okay.
And then from here, we're going to make a diagonal line that stops almost at the same point where we started here.
Okay.
So I'm going to make one diagonal line just like this.
All right, so it's gonna come here and it's almost like a 3D.
Yep.
Got it.
That's the side. And now we could do his peel. So from here, I'm going to make a curved line like a
Okay.
hill.
Okay.
So I'm going to come up like a hill, and then I'm going to just drop back down.
Okay, and what is this part?
This is his peel.
Oh, this is the part that peels off? Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then from here, we could continue almost like a slide again to a point. So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to just make a point.
And it kind of just peels off.
Yep.
Like a peel. Got it.
And then from here, we're going to make one diagonal line again that comes down.
Okay, this is great directions.
And then we're going to come somewhere on this side. We're just going to leave a little bit of space for the peel,
We're gonna
right?
attach the peel?
Yeah, so I'm going to make
Okay.
another hill like a mountain
Okay. So
or like a frown.
Okay, like an upside down.
And then we're just going to make a curved line to connect to that point.
Okay. Just like that.
Yep, that's his
Got
peel.
it. Yay! Are we gonna draw any more Fortnite characters after Peely?
Yeah,
gonna draw a
what are
few.
some cool ones?
Yeah, well, I'm the Fortnite specialist, so the fish is gonna be cool. There's gonna be a few ones. They have to stay tuned and watch.
Yeah.
But we're gonna draw some more Fortnite characters for sure.
So for now, we're going to continue his body, right?
Okay.
We're going to leave a little bit of space.
Okay.
And then we're just going to make a curve just like this side.
All right,
We're going to make
watching.
a curve. And I'm just going to stop somewhere here. So it's like a medium
Okay, so
size
not
line.
this side. We're gonna start basically where this line is.
Yep,
Right here.
correct.
And we're gonna curve and try to follow like the out part of his body.
Yes, good job.
Awesome. Okay.
And then we could leave some space. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to continue his body because here's where his arm's going to go.
Do you want to branch off his arm, or should we just leave some space into his body?
I think we should leave some space
Okay.
into his body first.
Okay.
So I'm going to leave some space and we could pretend like we're still making his body,
Okay.
right?
And then stop about an inch down.
And then continue
Okay.
with a curve that goes in just a little bit, not too much.
Got it.
Perfect. And then
Okay.
we could do his leg. So for his leg, we could come down with a diagonal line.
Okay. I'm watching.
So I'm going to go to the right just a little bit.
Oh, this is his leg. He's standing. Got it. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then we could continue with his leg. So this is his knee right here.
Yep.
So what I'm going to do is from here, I'm going to make a curve that goes out. So I'm going to just curve just a little bit.
Peely's coming together. He's coming together. Got it.
And then from this curve, we're going to come back in just a little bit.
Okay.
That's like his knee and then his calf.
Got it.
And then we're going to make one straight line like that.
Okay.
And then from here, we're going to continue this line and we're just going to curve in just a little bit. So I'm going to curve in just like this, leaving a little bit of space at the bottom.
Got it.
Okay. And then from here, we can make one horizontal line, a short one.
Got it.
And then we're going to curve a line that goes in. So if you want to start from somewhere up here, you can make a line that looks like a C.
When you draw your lines down, I like to draw mine up a little bit.
And then from here, I'm going to make a curved line that connects like this. It's like just a little curve.
Okay, slight curve, got it.
And from here, we could draw the rest of his knee. So I'm going to come up and curve in just a little bit.
Got
It's
it.
perfect, yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going to connect it just like that.
Got it, okay.
Then from there, he has like a diamond on his knee.
Yeah, his skin has some character to it.
Yeah. So I think the easiest way to make a diamond is do dots.
Okay.
It's like a little trick. So I'll make a little dot where his knee stopped.
Okay, so like about right here.
Yep.
Okay.
And then I'll make a little dot horizontal connecting right there.
Okay.
And then right in between these two dots, I'm going to make one on top.
Okay.
And I'll do the same thing. I'll follow down.
And draw one right down.
Right at the bottom.
And then this is going to be a diamond?
Yep. And then we just draw diagonal lines to connect this. So here's one diagonal line this way.
Okay.
Then one to the left.
Okay.
And then we'll do
Like
the
this
same to
idea.
the bottom.
That's a nice trick. And then he has a diamond on his leg. Got it. I might have drawn my point too big, but that's okay. I got a little overexcited when I drew my first one. I like it though. Nice.
Yeah. Do you want to do the details of his face first?
Yeah, let's go to the details of his face. That'd be cool.
So right in between this little top of the banana, we could follow this and then we could just make one vertical line that curves in just a little bit, just like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw one facing my left hand.
Yep.
And just go like that,
Perfect.
right? Okay, perfect.
And then we could do his eye. So more towards the right, we're gonna draw one circle, leaving a little bit of space.
All right, I'm watching
And
you.
it's like a medium-sized circle. So I'm just gonna draw a circle just like this.
Remember, you guys could start off in pencil until you guys get a little bit better. You could erase it, you could fix it until you get the basis of what you're drawing.
It's very true.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw an eye like this. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And the detail of the eye in this left corner is just a little oval.
Okay. Just a little oval eye. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then the left eye is attached to the side of his body. So we could just draw, at the same level, we could just draw a circle to the side of his body.
Got it. And you said it's attached, so it's going to come off of his skin?
Yep. So it's not like a full circle we're drawing because it's to this side.
Something
It's
like
a good
that?
circle, yeah.
Okay. All right.
And then for this detail, it's a oval to the right of the eye.
Okay.
And then a little circle at the bottom of the left.
Got it. So oval here and then like a small circle. Mm-hmm. Got it.
And then we could draw his smiley face. So this is like the center of the banana or the middle of the banana.
Yep.
And then right here we could draw a small horizontal line in between his eyes.
Okay, is this his smile?
This is a smile, yes.
Okay, so a small horizontal line in between his eyes. Mm-hmm. Got it.
And then we're gonna make a big smile, so it's just gonna be a big curve.
A big U
A big
that attaches.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That connects to the 2 points.
Got it.
Oh, that's such a pretty smile.
Like that?
Yeah. And then his tongue is like a hill or a mountain.
Peely. Okay.
So we'll just make a curve like this at the bottom of his mouth.
Peely.
It looks so good.
Let's go.
And then there's like little details to his body, but we could save that.
Okay.
So we could do his other leg.
Yeah, let's do his other leg. He's standing on one leg right now.
I know.
His leg's tired.
It's so funny. So for this leg, we're gonna make a curve, leaving a little bit of space in between.
Okay.
We're just gonna make a curve that goes to the right.
Okay. Got it.
Nice. And then we'll do his calf, right?
Okay.
So then we'll just curve out a little bit more. And then we're gonna drop down with a curve that goes in. That's good. And then we're just gonna make a vertical line, but it's not gonna be the same height. It's gonna be shorter. So I'm
Okay,
just
I
gonna
kind of
draw one
extended the
vertical
curve,
line.
so I think I'm almost there.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, I'll just draw it a little bit longer, and I think I can start my foot.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, so then we're gonna make one diagonal line to the left, like that. This is
down,
gonna be part of his shoe.
like down a little bit? Okay.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Got it.
And then we're gonna come up with one vertical line like that.
Okay, this is like the heel of his foot. Got it.
Heel of
Okay.
his boot, yeah.
Got it.
We'll do a little horizontal line like
Something
that.
small. We're drawing his shoe, basically. Okay.
We're drawing like the little details. Then we're gonna come down vertical again at the same height of the other one.
Okay. Got it.
And then we're going to draw one more horizontal line that comes out longer.
Yep, this is the bottom of his shoe that's going to curve around, right? Okay.
And then now we can make the curve. So the curve is going to be like a C.
Okay.
So I'm just going to curve up like
Back
a C.
in towards him. Got it. Okay.
And then we're going to curve in.
And up.
And up, just
and
a little
up,
bit.
Like a little bit of a slant. Got it.
Nice job.
And then from here, we're going to come up straight to right where like his calf is.
Okay.
So I'm going to make a little point here so I know. I'm going to come down
Right
straight.
up to his calf. Got it.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we're going to make his knee. So his knee is going to curve out. So I'm going to come from this straight line. I'm going to curve out, back in. Just a little
I like
knee.
this detail of his leg. Okay.
And then we could just draw one line right here. One line to connect to his
Just
body.
connects it. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to come in and then draw it here.
Good job.
I like it.
Yeah. And then he has like a little diamond here too. But
Okay.
it's on its side. So
Okay.
we could just draw one point and then two diagonal lines like this.
Okay. So I'm going to come out and almost make like a triangle that attaches.
Correct.
That'd be the dotted line right there.
Perfect.
Okay. I like
That's a good
it.
example. A little triangle on
A little
its side.
triangle. All right.
So now all we really have left is his arms and the little details of his body.
Let's do it. I'm excited.
So for his arm, at this point, we're going to start with his right arm. We're
Okay.
going to make a hill or like a mountain that drops down just a little longer.
Okay, so draw the hill that goes back in towards the drawing. Okay.
And then come down.
Drop down a little bit.
It's like a hook.
I got it.
And then from here, we could draw his shoulder. So we're going to draw a line that comes out from this point
Well, the way you're explaining this is super easy for me.
and comes down.
All right. And then it comes out like this. Got it.
And then from here, we could just continue with a curve that goes in just a little bit.
Okay. Got it.
And then from this point, we're going to make a diagonal line that goes down to the right.
Okay.
This is his elbow.
This diagonal line that goes out to the right. Got it.
And then from here, we can make a curve that goes back in towards his body, just like this. This is his like arm right here, his
Okay.
forearm. And then we could start with his hand. So we're going to drop down with a vertical line.
Got it.
We'll make a little curve, which is the side of his hand. So I'm going to make a curve like this.
Okay.
And then we could do the inside of his arm.
Okay,
So
we can
from
attach
here,
it.
I'm going to
Okay.
make something that looks like a triangle, right? So it's going to be one line like this.
Got it.
Perfect. And then we could just make a curve that goes in towards his arm.
Got it.
Drops down again just a little bit to the right, to the left, I'm sorry, like a diagonal
Okay, so
line.
back in towards his body. Okay.
And then we'll curve in towards his arm.
Got it. Like his forearm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then from here, we could do one vertical line straight,
One vertical line straight.
and then we could do his hand.
Got
So
it.
his hand, we're going to draw his fingers. We're going to curve like that.
Okay.
And then for his fingers, we're going to make one diagonal line to the left that's really short.
Got it. Okay.
We're going to drop down
So now we're just drawing his fingers. Okay.
And then we're going to make a loop like the letter U to its side. So I'm going to curve like this.
Got it.
Good job.
Thank you.
And then we're going to make another one right next to it. So I'm going to curve just like this.
These are all his little fingers. Okay.
And then we're going to make his thumb. So his thumb is going to curve in just a little bit. And we're going to curve like this.
Got it. So make his thumb here. Like that.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then what you could do is you can make a curved line to connect to this finger. So just a curve like a backwards C.
Got it. So I'm going to come here. Make a backwards C.
Yep.
Like
And
his
then there's
hand
like
is open.
one finger in the middle. So we could just make a loop just like this.
Oh, I see. It's like the back of his finger.
So there we have one of his arms.
His hand's open. His hands are little because he's always holding a pickaxe in Fortnite.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So we could draw this arm. So right at the bottom of this curve that we made
Okay.
is where we'll come across and
Like
we'll
right here?
start his other arm.
Almost like at the top of his belly.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we're going to drop down like a slide,
Okay.
just like this, like a curve that goes out.
Yep.
We're going to come up with a diagonal line to the left, going up.
Okay.
And that's where his hand's going to be. So we could draw
Okay.
out the bottom of his arm too. So,
So we
the
can
same
attach
curve
it?
that we
Okay.
went down, it's
We're
going to
gonna
be
come
a little
up.
short.
Okay. So out like almost to a point.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're going to curve like the letter U up.
Back up to the top. Like his elbows bending.
Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
I'm going to stop at the same height as this hand.
So we bring it in kind of close to each other. So we can create his hand. Okay.
And then what we could do is we could start with his pinky. So
Okay.
his pinky, it curves out.
Yeah, because he's holding something. Okay.
So we're going to curve out like the letter C again. And we're going to
Okay.
curve like that.
All right. So this is the start of his hand. And we're going to start with his pinky. And that curves in like this. Okay.
And then his pinky is like the letter U, just upside down. So it's going to go like this.
Okay. I drew it a little bit big. But
That's okay.
all right. That's okay.
And then for the next finger is going to be like the letter U or like a hill.
So
it's going to be right attached to the pinky.
Okay, so start at the top of the pinky and draw like a letter U.
Come back down like that.
Okay, attach the whole thing. Got it. Okay.
And then the next finger is another hill where you could just start at the top of this finger.
Okay.
You're going to come up.
Same thing.
And back down to where his pinky is, almost leaving a little space.
Okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
And then the next finger is the same idea. We'll come up.
This is super simple. Okay.
Back down.
Got it.
And then this finger is just going to come down a little longer.
Okay. I can do that.
That's good.
All right.
And then for his thumb, we're going to make a curve that goes out to the left and then back in. So I'm just going to curve like this.
So I want to make a little straight line like this and then make his thumb. Again, I'm watching you finish the thumb. I need visuals.
And then I'm just going to come back in like this.
Okay.
Like that. So I went out a little bit and then towards his body.
Okay.
Oh, that's perfect. And then you're just going to make a little curve. Not too much.
That goes
just a curve that connects
straight back down to his hand. Okay.
Good job.
Thank you.
That looks good. And then the last thing we need are the little peels or the details of his body.
Okay.
So right under his mouth, I'm just going to make a curve however we want.
Okay.
Towards his body.
Okay.
So I curved it at the top and then I just went towards his leg.
There we go.
Good. And then right here, right under his eye, towards the left, I'm just going to, towards the right, I'm sorry.
Yep.
I'm just going to come down and curve towards the line we just made.
Okay. And this is other peel?
This is like another peel. We just continue the banana.
I can draw it. There we
Good job.
go. Yay.
And then right next to this line, we're going to draw a diagonal line to the right. Just a short one like this.
Just like the little details, yeah?
These are the little details he has on his body. And then we're just going to draw two more right on the side of his stomach. Just
That's
like
how you make it come to life. Wow. Okay.
And then, sorry, one more thing. His shoe. To separate the bottom of his shoe.
Okay.
We're just going to draw the same horizontal line just right
to connect
on top.
the bottom of it?
Leaving a little bit of space.
Yes. And that's Peely?
And that's Peely.
I like it.
There we have Peely. Yours came out so good.
Thank you. This is super simple. We kept it super easy. Whoever loves Fortnite, like and subscribe. Want the new skin in the item shop? Like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Thank you, KK.
Yeah, so right now all we have to do is color it in and bring it to life.
Awesome. Let's do that.
So pick whatever color.
You're going to do it classic and yellow?
I am.
I'm going to do it blue. I'm going to do polar Peely.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's
You're
cool.
going to see him. He's going to be super cool, all right?
Love it.
All right, let's do it, guys.
All right, guys, there we have Peely. I did the original Peely. I just did like his peel, little shades everywhere, brown for like the top part of the banana and his feet.
You don't see his feet in Fortnite. You never see Fortnite skins. You never see feet in Fortnite skins, so it's fine.
So yeah, I did a little shading.
Who's this?
But that's Polar Peely.
Oh, you know, I've taught her. Thank you for making this super fun and easy and step-by-step. More Fortnite characters coming. We're going to do the fish. We're going to do some iconic Fortnite skins for sure. I'm super excited. I try to blend, if you guys know or play Fortnite, Polar Peely has these white streaks to him. Guys, it's super fun. You do it once, you get it wrong, you try it again, you practice. Your drawing takes practice over time. So keep following these step-by-step tutorials and your drawings will keep getting better. Thank you, KK.
Thank you. It was
I'll
super
see you guys
fun.
in the next video.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, please give the channel some love, like and subscribe. Thank you guys.
See you guys.
Until next time. Bye.